Hello, today I will cook a hearty lentil soup with mixed vegetables, minced meat, and aromatic spices. Let's begin. Rinse green lentils, cover them with hot water. Simmer for 15 minutes to remove impurities and ensure tenderness. This step also helps reduce bloating by gently releasing the lentils' natural gases. After the boiling, drain the water, let the lentils wait for their turn. Let's add the onions to olive oil. Once the onions change color, add 200 grams of minced meat and break it into fine crumbles. Stir it continuously. Add the fresh onion. Add 2 diced carrots. Also add the peppers. Sauté the mix until tender. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir until the tomato paste is cooked and mixed evenly with the veggies. Deglaze the pan with 1 diced tomato, lifting those caramelized bits for a balanced acidity. Add all the spices and mix everything. All the ingredients that I added can be found in the description below. Add the lentils to the mix. Then pour in 6 to 8 cups of water. The amount of water is up to you depending on how watery you prefer your lentil soup. Bring to a rolling boil and add 1 cup of whole wheat Turkish noodles. They'll thicken the soup while retaining a satisfying al dente texture. Reduce the heat and simmer covered for 10-15 minutes until the noodles are perfectly cooked. Please share your results in the comments. As we say in Turkish, afiyet olsun. Bon appetit guys.